Owning a car comes with its fair share of maintenance challenges. While some issues require professional help, others can be fixed easily with some knowledge. Here are 5 common car problems and how to fix them. 1. Dead battery. A dead battery is one of the most frequent car problems, especially if you leave the lights on overnight. How to fix it? Use jumper cables to connect your car to a working battery. Start the working car and let it run for a few minutes before trying to start yours. If the battery keeps dying, consider replacing it or checking the alternator. 2. Flat tire. A flat or punctured tire can leave you stranded, but it's a problem you can handle on your own. How to fix it? Park on a flat surface and engage the handbrake. Use a lug wrench to loosen the nuts, then lift the car with a jack. Remove the damaged tire and replace it with a spare. Tighten the nuts in a crisscross pattern and lower the car slowly. 3. Overheating engine. An overheating engine can cause severe damage if ignored. How to fix it? Turn off the AC and pull over immediately. Let the engine cool down before opening the hood. Check the coolant level and top it up if necessary. If overheating persists, inspect the radiator, water pump, and thermostat. 4. Check engine light. On this warning light can indicate various issues, from minor sensor problems to serious engine trouble. How to fix it? Use an OBD2 scanner to read the error code. If it's a loose gas cap, tighten it and reset the light. For other issues, research the code or consult a mechanic for repairs. 5. Brake noises or weak brakes. If your brakes squeak or feel spongy, they might need attention. How to fix it? Check the brake fluid level and top it up if it is low. Inspect the brake pads. If they are worn, replace them. If braking still feels weak, there could be air in the brake lines or a problem with the master cylinder. Final thoughts: regular maintenance and quick fixes can help keep your car running smoothly. However, for complex issues, it's always best to consult a professional mechanic. Keep an emergency kit in your car, and you'll always be prepared for unexpected problems.